welcome back to another video. Today we're doing an oil change on the Skyline. Alright guys, so we just made it home. I've been letting this car cool down for like the past 20 minutes and it's still hot. I'm gonna be using this new Castrol Edge oil. It's a 10W60. Apparently Skyline's RB motors like this. I'm going with K&N HP 1002. I do have a K&N on there right now, but that's the old part number. I think it was like a I think it was HP 2008 or something like that. That one got discontinued, so this one should also fit the car. Let's get started. So here's the old oil filter, and as you guys can see, HP 1002 is the one I was using. All I gotta do now is clean up that mess, which happens every single time, and then put on the new oil filter and fill it up. All right, let's start up the car, see if it likes it. Start it right up. Oil pressure is going up. Obviously, it cooled down a little bit, but let's go give it a rip. I noticed you guys like the wide view angles in the videos. Finally moved on to a heavier oil weight on the GTR. I've heard RBs like heavier oil for better oil pressure. Better oil pressure, better for the car, for the engine. I've been driving it for a little bit, no issues. Honestly, I don't know how bad it can be if you put in the wrong oil in the car. But oil pressure is definitely up on the gauge, so I guess that means it's a good thing. Had to do a quick pit stop at the gas station because you guys already know Jackie likes to drink. So I'm not filling up the gas tank though. I'll just use up the whole gas. We'll do 30 bucks this week, and then that should be enough to make some content for you guys. Now the next day, and the car's been doing great with the new oil change. Oil pressure is up, car feels great. Finally. We're going to a car meet right now. It's supposed to be a Honda meet, but I'm not sure if I can put her baby seat and the S2K. I mean, I can pretty much get it in there, but just being a two-seater, not sure if it's a good idea. So we're taking the Skyline. Why not? It's a Skyline video. Besides, Lily loves the Skyline, right? S2K, brother. Should we get off and walk?
I haven't driven to LA in like
Damn, the bumper on that one right there is sick. Check it out. We should have brought the S2K. S2K, brothers. Damn. We're just gonna take a quick walk. We don't really fit in here right now. You jump. You want to take the camera? He just wants to walk right now, so we're gonna take a quick walk. We're walking through somebody's barbecue. But yeah, we gotta go check out all these Hondas. Hey, next time we're gonna bring this to K, okay? We decided to go this way and check out the cars. Those EFs over there are pretty clean. Ooh, check this one out. Dang. You like this one? I think she's gonna be an NSX girl. You like that license plate? I think I recognize this car. We recognize this S2K. This is our friend Steph's. So we're gonna take a quick picture. Lily with her car. Hold on, stay here. Ready? Come here. Stand right here. Good job. Smile. He smile. Oh yeah. You want to vlog? Here you go. And look who we found.
Hey! Hi!
It's okay. We took a picture with your car.
Oh, she's so cute. She's cute.
Yeah, she's going to turn 2 in October.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Wow. Guys, look at all these Type R's. Yeah. Go on the water. We got a little sidetrack. We're going to the beach. Hey, Lily, come here. Be careful. Good job. Alright guys, so we checked out some cars, played in the water for a little bit. Look at Lily's shoes. They're all dirty. But yeah, I think it's time to go home now.